Hello everyone, welcome to tourismbharat.com. Guys, Goa is one of the most popular beach destinations in India. It has got plenty of scenic beaches, adventure sports, amazing nightlife, waterfalls, culture, seafood and a lot more attractions to convince you to travel Goa. And if you have already planned to visit Goa, then for you, it is very important that you pack all the essentials in your backpack that will double the pleasure of your Goa trip and even make it safer. So, in this video, we will tell you the 16 essential things that you must pack while going on a Goa trip. But before we continue with the video, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you're notified of all our travel videos. So, without any further ado, let us know what all you need to pack before you set off for your Goa trip. In this list, the most important thing to pack is sunscreen. While on your Goa trip, you would obviously want to enjoy out at the beaches. But being out in sunlight all day can be harmful for your skin. So, whenever you go out to enjoy at the Goa beaches, do remember to apply sunscreen lotion on your body. For Goa, you can buy a sunscreen lotion that has SPF level of 40 and above. Many travelers use sunscreen with SPF level 50 for beaches like Goa. Friends, along with your skin, it is also very important to take care of your eyes. That is why you must not forget to take some sunglasses along with you. At the coastal regions, the sunlight reflection is relatively high, therefore wearing sunglasses would lower down the stress on your eyes to a greater extent. And if you are planning to buy a pair of sunglasses for your Goa trip, then you must prefer buying the sunglasses with polarized lenses. These sunglasses will easily control the sun reflection and keep your eyes stress-free. If you are planning for a Goa trip, then also remember to keep an insect or mosquito repellent in your backpack. You would want to travel outdoors post sunset too, and that is when mosquito repellent will be of utmost use. So, you have packed the essentials for your eyes and skin. But Goa's salty winds and moisture can damage your lips. Hence, while going on a Goa trip, do not forget to carry a lip balm. Guys, the next important thing that you must always carry while traveling is the first aid kit. Wherever you go to spend your holidays, do remember to carry this because in any circumstances of an injury, it will be very useful. Before you set off for a trip, remember to carry hand sanitizer, wet wipes and a good N95 mask. These would keep you away from germs and viruses and will also keep you hygienic throughout the tour. When you pack for Goa tour, make sure you keep the appropriate footwear in your backpack. And for this, you can consider Crocs or floaters. Be it walking at the beaches or traveling in Goa's markets, Crocs will keep you very comfortable. Along with these, you can also carry a pair of casual shoes so that even in the nightclubs, you look stylish. Guys, next essential things that you must pack for your Goa trip are hats or caps. These would not only protect you from sunlight, but will also make you appear stylish. Friends, Goa is a hub of water sports, and during water sports, you would want to stay comfortable, right? So that is why don't forget to keep swimwear in your bag. And yes, as beach wearers, cotton clothes are recommended as they are great heat absorbents. Next in the list are sarongs. Girls can carry sarongs to make their beach styling impressive. Other than sarongs, tube dress and skirts are also great styling options in Goa. You can also consider wearing cotton tees and shorts. These clothes not only keep humidity and heat away but also dry quickly if drenched. Girls can consider packing tank tops, spaghettis, straw hats, scarves, and a good tote bag for their Goa trip. Guys, to know about Goa's most happening places, its food joints, cultural sightings, and many Goa travel related details, buy a Goa guide booklet. By clicking on the link in the description too, you can read information related to Goa like popular places to visit in North and South Goa, their best beaches, water sports, and more. You can also carry a hard copy or booklet of Goa's location maps. Just in case, if your phone runs out of battery or Google Maps doesn't function well, then these will be of great help. Talk of Goa's packing list and miss the camera? Nah, that's not justice. So guys, before you set off for a Goa trip, don't forget to carry along a good camera so that you can capture all of your good moments in Goa. If you are a solo traveler, do carry an iPod along with you so that your Goa trip gets more exciting. And if you are traveling in a group, then don't forget to carry a good Bluetooth speaker such as JBL Flip 4 along with you so that sitting at the Goa beaches, you can fully enjoy with your friends. Guys, this list of Goa essentials is incomplete without power bank. In Goa, due to lots of selfies, you might have to charge your mobile phone frequently. So make sure that you carry a good power bank along with you, which is at least of 10,000 mAh capacity. For Goa travel, do carry waist bags or fanny packs. The biggest advantage of carrying a waist bag is that you can easily store stuff like wallet, phone, power bank and other essential things, and your hands will not be unnecessarily occupied. So guys, these were the essential things to pack for your Goa trip. If you want to listen to this video in Hindi, please click on the link given above. You can also share your travel stories on our website tourismbharat.com with the travel community. And for this, you can use the Travelog submission link given in the description. Guys, you can also support us on patreon.com, and to support our work, you can either click on the above given link or visit the patreon.com link given in the end annotation, or visit the patreon.com link given in the description. Friends, if you wish to read travel and tourism blogs, then visit our website www.tourismbharat.com. And yes, do follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will bring more videos on travel and tourism. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, comment your thoughts and do share it with your friends. And yes guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now. See you in the next video. Stay tuned to Tourism Bharat.